Hi everyone. Today I'm going to review the Korean drama named Dear Harry. I loved this drama, but at the same time I hated this drama. So I will explain. I'll get to it why I hated this drama and loved this drama at the same time. It is Dear Harry is the story of a woman, Ju En Ho, who has dissociative identity disorder, and she transforms into another personality named Harry, and Harry is very different from her. And the story progress how it is go progress into how Harry has a crush on somebody, and how Juanu doesn't know Harry exists, but then they figure out that Harry exists, and then how the story progress. That's the story of Dear Harry. And uh, if you haven't not seen this drama, I think you should give it a try. It is a good series, and it's a good story, and the direction of the story is really did very well, and it is a healing sort of story. You will feel very healed while we watch this drama. And the feel of this drama is very somber and nice and sweet, and very heartwarming kind of typical K drama. This is one of the best K dramas in 2024. I think it will fall under one of the best dramas of 2024. So please give it a try. And if you have already seen this drama, I will go on to the spoiler review of this drama. So this from here on, it's the spoiler review. So if you have not seen this drama, please go watch it and come back for the review. So I loved this drama so much in the first 2-3 episodes, because the relationship of Harry and Kang Jeon was so sweet. I really enjoyed the relationship progress between Harry and Juyong. It was like I didn't feel this much heart flutter in a long while, that I really liked it. But after 3-4 episodes, Harry just disappeared forever, and I was not expecting that Harry will disappear forever. Like, after that, Harry never appears, and we are just um, left with Eno. And we realized that our Kang Jeon will never get Harry back. That was such a heartbreaking thing, because I was so invested in their relationship that towards the end I really hated that Jeon was very like heartbroken, and he didn't get his love. So that's why I said I hated this drama at the same time that I loved this drama. So and the actor Kang Ho is so adorable. I like I like all of his roles. If I have seen his previous roles, and he is adorable to the extent that I can't bear with it. That level adorable he is. And so his role in this drama also, he was such a good character, and he didn't get his love interest, and that was not something that I really appreciated, and that's why I hated this drama. But the rest, it was a really heartwarming story, and it was really sweet of a story. And one thing I would like to add is that the cinematography of this drama is really good, because in the first few episodes, when we know that Eno has dissociative identity disorder, her images are always displayed as two images, like one will be there, and then another halfway will be there. So it is a very nice of a touch, that I felt that everything is like split image. There was a lot of split image of her, and that was something that I really liked And then another fact I really noticed in this drama was everybody was calling everyone by their name a lot, like their name was used a lot. And that is interesting because in this drama the drama story is about identity, and we know that Eno and Harry are different, and so when people are calling each other by name, the identity is like their identity is affirmed, and hence it's like goes very well with the theme of this story. Another thing I really liked about this drama is Hyono's character. I was not a fan of actor Lee Jin Wook a lot, but this drama made me like him a lot because his character and his backstory and the way he was very warm and kind. I really liked his character, and I was not happy that he got no in the end because I was really rooting for Juyeon, and Juyeon was hurt in the end, and which I didn't like. But except for that, this drama was really good, and I hope you all also watch this drama. And I really liked it. That's all. So that's all for today. I hope you all will like and subscribe, and please comment what you thought about this drama. And bye.